In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Nexo. Now, the first way you can do this is actually within your platform. So over here in the dashboard, anywhere you are, you can click at the bottom right here where you can see this chat box, and it's going to open up the chat box, which is kind of the AI assistant, and you can get support from here. However, if you would like to contact them directly, there is one other way as well, and that is the following. You want to go to their official website, which is of course nexo.com, and then from here you want to scroll down to the very bottom. There we go, and at the bottom of the website here, you'll be able to see under company, it says contacts. If you click on that over here, it's going to take you to support.nexo.com, and here you can get assistance, and their client care team is online 24/7 to help you with your needs. In here, you just basically have to put in your Nexo account email address, the subject that you need support on, and then the description of your problem, and of course, the more concise that's going to be, the better, so make sure you actually type in your full problem and like in as much detail as possible, and then here you can then upload files in case it's relevant, for example like screenshots or something, and then just click on submit over here, and that's how you can get in touch with their support team. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.